Statistics show people who write down their goals have over an 80% higher success rate of achieving them. At RetireMax, we want both our advisors and their clients to be successful. The Retirement Blueprint does just that. And it does it accurately in as little as 4 entries and 15 seconds. And most importantly, it illustrates how much money an individual needs to save per month to reach a certain income goal at retirement. If you don't know how much you need to save each month to get there, then you really don't have a plan. In the Lifestyle Income section, the inflation rate is designed to help estimate what the gross pay would be at retirement. Or if you put a number in the estimated gross at retirement, it will override the gross at retire inflation number and use this number for the retirement income goal. The retirement gap percentage is the percentage of the retirement goal amount that is not covered by the state pension and Social Security. In our example, I'll input $70,000 of the estimated gross at retirement. Retirement age is 60, and I'll show a 1% inflation. Notice the gross at retire inflation cell shows $64,558, but the $70,000 amount overrides this amount. I'll put 20% into the retirement gap percentage, meaning the state pension and Social Security will make up 80% of the $70,000. I'll input age 60 in the retirement age cell, 20 years until retirement. I'll put 4% in the rate of return on savings cell, and I'll use age 95 in the life expectancy age cell. You can see in the Retirement Blueprint section, total amount of money required is $261,305. Net after other accounts cell takes into account other current accounts. I'll now move down to the Other Accounts section and list monies the client currently has to help with their retirement income. They have 20 years until retirement and currently have $50,000. And I'll use 4% interest. Going back up to the Retirement Blueprint section, you can now see that the net after other accounts amount is now $150,176. This is the net amount needed to equal the $261,305 total needed at retirement in order to fill the 20% gap and retire at 100% of the $70,000. The additional required savings per month is $420. This is the monthly amount the client would need to save in order to reach their income goals. At this point, you could go to the Increase tab and illustrate increasing their monthly savings to reach $150,176 amount if they can't save the $420 per month now. Let's assume they can afford $200 per month now. What would they have to increase the monthly amount each year to reach the $150,176 number? You can see that starting out at $200 a month, the client would need to increase each year's monthly contribution by $25 to reach the $150,176. Back to the Retirement Blueprint tab. The total monthly retirement income is the amount needed at retirement. The amount from pension is the amount that will be received from state and government pensions. The amount from savings is the monthly income that would be generated from the $261,305. Now you're starting to see how to use multiple tabs interchangeably inside the app to create not only a goal, but also a roadmap with specific directions on how to get there. Ever wonder why other advisors' calendars are overflowing with prospects lining up to do business with them? It's because they're giving their clients something no one else has ever taken time to do. Use this tab to provide your prospects with a written goal and increase their chances and yours of retirement success by 80%.